Well, it is winter in Canada, but this looks like a good spot for a potato patch. We're going to use the Ruth Stout method of vegetable gardening today, which means I'm going to drop a bunch of potatoes on the ground and cover them with dead leaves. It's going to be really easy, I think. Ruth was an old-timey girl with a great story. She got into gardening later in life, so maybe mobility helped her figure this out. She was into mulch on mulch on mulch. Now, every gardener or farmer you talk to usually loves mulch, but she was gaga for it. So the Ruth Stout method means that seeds don't go so deep in the ground, but they get covered with a thick layer of mulch. The organic material slowly breaks down and feeds the soil, so you're protecting and nourishing at the same time. Good mama. I like it because it's January 1st. Happy New Year! And this means I don't have to dig down to plant, and I don't have to dig to harvest. Big bonus. But wait. January 1st, you say? Alex, plants don't grow in the winter. Ha ha ha, not necessarily so. I found a lot of little greenies popping up through the leaves, and I'm hoping that with the help of global warming and this beautiful 7 degrees Celsius day, I might get some traction before spring. I'll either have New Year's potatoes in the spring, or I'll have them ready for the regular season, and I like to experiment. I'm gonna rake these old leaves away. It's gonna reveal some beautiful dirt. I'm going to drop down some potatoes, and then I'm going to pile a whole bunch of dead leaves on top. And what we have here is some really nice dirt. Like, this is just some high quality black stuff. I even saw some wormies really enjoying themselves, which tells me that it's kind of warmer under all these leaves. So I'm just going to drop the potatoes. And as you can see, it was all super random, just drop and go. I'm going to cover them back up. I'm going to come back in 4 months, and hopefully there's going to be like 4 or 5 times the potatoes here. Oh yeah, this is the good shit. That's some wet leaves on the dirty ground. Well guys, that's it. That's the whole job. I've piled a good foot of leaves on top of these potatoes, and if this actually works, it'll be the easiest thing I ever planted. Check up in a couple months for the update, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. See you soon.